In today's video, I'm going to teach you hand lettering logo design in Canva. We'll build a simple, stylish mark using a bold first letter, a complementary script for the rest of the word, and a curved flourish to tie it all together. Start in Canva by opening a logo template. Pick any layout that gives you enough room to play. The template is just a starting point for composition and background. With your canvas open, add a text box. Type only the first letter of your word. We'll give this letter extra characters so it becomes the focal point of the logo. Change its font using the font drop-down, and in the search bar type Mr. Defoe. This script font has a hand-drawn feel that's perfect for lettering style logos. Apply it, then resize the letter by dragging the corner handles until it feels bold and legible. Reposition it where you want your logo to start, leaving space for the rest of the word to sit naturally beside it. Add another text box and type the continuation of the word. Make the second text slightly smaller than the first letter to create hierarchy and a custom lettered vibe. Reposition it so the two parts feel connected, lining the baseline and nudging with your arrow keys until the spacing looks smooth and intentional. Now switch to Elements. In the search bar, type Curve, then click See All to browse options. Insert a graphical curve line that matches the style of your lettering. Something clean and fluid works best. Adjust the curve by dragging its handles and experiment with its length so it complements the word without crowding it. Find a position where it fits naturally, as if it's continuing the flow of the last letter. Rotate the curve until its angle echoes your letter's stroke direction. Then position it right beside the last point of the word. Resize as needed so the flourish feels balanced, not overpowering. Next, change the color of both the text and the curve. Use the color controls in the toolbar to choose a single brand color or a simple two-tone palette with strong contrast. Then change the background color to support the lettering. A solid, contrasting background will help the script stand out. Make final adjustments by fine-tuning spacing, alignment, and the curve's angle. Zoom out to check overall balance and legibility. You're aiming for smooth flow, clean negative space, and a cohesive look between the letter forms and the flourish. When everything feels harmonious, your hand-lettered logo is complete.